You gonna fix the tractor, Vincent?
Yeah.
Can you fix it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and fix it then. Is it working?
It's not working yet.
Maybe you need the saw.
Oh, I didn't use it with my hammer. I better use it with
Try the screwdriver.
Let me pick.
Try the screwdriver, Vincent.
I'll try use it with my hammer. I'll try use it with my hammer.
I think you need the screwdriver.
I think I can use it with the hammer. Oh yeah, I need the hammer. I think I needed the hammer.
I think you need the screwdriver.
Try the screwdriver, Vincent.
Oh, and I'm gonna fix the engine in here. I'm gonna fix the engine in here.
What's in there?
The engine. My engine.
Oh, don't start banging on that, buddy.
I'm doing it slowly.
Slowly, then.
I really think you need a screwdriver, Vincent.
Let me try use the engine. How about the screwdriver with this?
With the pipe.
I have a pipe.
Maybe the pipe needs fixing to the tractor.
There.
I'm
Remember, that's
Now
in
it's
there.
going to go a lot better.
That's a perfect place to put the screwdriver, in the hitch. We're going to put it right in the hitch.
Maybe you need the saw, Vincent.
Let me open the engine. Let me open the engine and put the pipe in there with the screwdriver.
There's the pipe.
I'm gonna put it on the screwdriver now. I'm going to use the hammer now and bring it in. I'm going to bring a screw in. I'm going to do this screw in.
Oh, now we're getting out the heavy guns.
I'm doing it now.
What about the pliers? Do you need pliers?
No,
No.
just the pipe.
Just the pipe, Daddy.
When I was done screwing a screw in,
You're all done screwing the screw in?
I screwed another screw in. There, I put a pipe in there.
Alright, close it up. Is it all done?
I'm still charging it.
Oh, he's still charging.
I'm still fixing the engine.
What other tools do you need?
A hammer tool. I did it.
Maybe the pliers.
Where is the plier?
Are they in the toolbox?
No. I'm just using these. Then I'm going to get the pipe out and put them here.
You fixing it like Uncle Ron?
Yeah. Like Uncle Ron's tractor.
That's right, Uncle Ron was fixing Uncle Ron's tractor.
Maybe it needs petrol, Vincent. Did you check that? You're going to feel foolish if all it needed was petrol.
Where's the petrol?
Where does the petrol go?
Wait until my... Wait! Oh, the petrol goes in here.
Is there petrol in there?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Let me open it. Let me open it.
I'm not sure you can, baby.
Does it go under the seat?
Just into the engine. It doesn't go in here.
No, it doesn't go in there. You had the right place, but I think you can't. I think it's locked.
Whose petrol goes under the seat?
It actually goes in the engine.
Oh, actually it goes in the engine, Daddy. Did you know that?
I'm fixing it with my hammer and screwdriver.
I see. Okay.